Look at this ad, an athlete at his lowest, an empty gym, a cinematic comeback story, kind of commercial you'd assume took a film crew, expensive cameras, professional lighting, and an entire day on set. So, how much do you think it cost? $1 million? $500,000? No, it started with one sentence. Every shot you're watching was created from a simple text prompt inside CapCut. No camera, no actors, no location. Just me, my laptop, and AI. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how I built this ad from scratch so you can do the same for your own product. But before we jump in, there's something exciting coming. Seedance 2.5 is arriving in CapCut in early July, and it's one of the biggest AI video upgrades we've seen. It can generate up to 30-second native clips, extend them even further, understand dozens of reference images, videos, and audio files, and even make incredibly specific edits from a single instruction, things that normally require an entire VFX team. But here's the best part. The commercial you just watched wasn't made with Seedance 2.5. I made it today using Seedance 2.0, which is already available inside CapCut, and already generates stunning native 4K video. So this isn't something coming in the future. You can do it today. This is CapCut PC. Most people know it as a video editor, but the desktop version has become so much more than that. It includes AI image generation, AI video generation, and a complete multi-track editing workflow, all in one place. Instead of hiring photographers, videographers, actors, and editors, you can build an entire commercial yourself. Let's start with the very first scene. Everything begins with a single image because that's what the video animation is built from. I open AI image, select GPT image 2.0, and start writing my prompt. Here's where most people make a mistake. Don't just describe the product, describe the entire moment, the emotion, the lighting, the environment, the camera style. In this case, I want a lonely athlete sitting in an empty gym at dawn, exhausted after training, with an unbranded can sitting beside him. I also choose my aspect ratio first so everything matches the final video later. Then CapCut generates multiple options. I compare the lighting, the composition, and the mood, then simply choose the strongest one. Now comes the fun part. I drop that image into AI video, select Seedance 2.0, and generate it in native 4K. Watch what happens. The image suddenly comes alive. The athlete starts breathing. The light slowly shifts through the window. Dust floats naturally through the air. Everything feels like it was filmed with a real cinema camera. And it all started from one still image. If watching a typed sentence turn into a cinematic shot just blew your mind, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Now here's how the rest of the commercial comes together. I simply repeat the exact same workflow. Write a prompt, generate an image, animate it with AI video, then move on to the next scene. That's how I created every moment in this story. The struggle, the doubt, the first sip, walking toward the weights, lifting again, and finally, the comeback. And just to prove this isn't limited to one style, I repeated the exact same process for two completely different commercials, a fast-paced football ad and a warm, cinematic coffee commercial. Completely different moods, completely different products, exactly the same workflow. I won't make you watch every single generation, but I've included every prompt inside the document linked in the description so you can recreate every scene yourself. Once all the shots are ready, it's time to edit. Every clip goes onto its own track, music underneath, cuts timed to the beat, a simple end card with my channel name. And because the can is completely unbranded, there are no trademark issues. Once everything is synced, this becomes the final commercial.
Everyone falls. Not everyone strikes back. Tech with Ayrass.
The same ad you saw at the beginning, a full cinematic story, 3 completely different commercials, every single shot generated from text prompts, no camera, no film crew, no studio, no production budget. Now I want to ask you something. If you had this tool, what product would you turn into a cinematic commercial? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. Seedance 2.0 is already available inside CapCut, and with Seedance 2.5 arriving very soon, AI video creation is only getting better. From here, it's as simple as exporting your project, choosing your resolution, and publishing your video. If you'd like to try CapCut PC yourself, comment AI video below. I've pinned the download link along with the full prompts document in the description. Subscribe for more AI filmmaking tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.